with your candidate about this event on that election day itself. Lodged by him to his candidate. Do you have any form of complaint? Yes, but no, I want to leave you.
Number one.
I also want you to confirm to this court. Do you have any form of complaint to police? Because this was very early in the morning. Of this complaint, and what is the ST reference lodged on that day? Don't have. And I also want to confirm from you. Were you the only candidate's agent? Was Honorable Nambi the only person with an agent where you were seated on that time?
Agent.
How many agents were you for NRM on that?
This doesn't have to be you.
Can you give the names of the other NRM agents, the other three? Who you are with? Kunda Elizabeth.
Wenje Flavia. Ben. Another Ben.
So, you know, you're a very gifted witness. You have an art of seeing things nobody else sees, of hearing things which nobody else will hear. I just want you to confirm this report. In that Kunda, who is the other? Wenje, Obed, swear any affidavit in this court to support your hallucination.
Agamba kwantu walaba waliwo ni walone banoba kunda pen the point bala ile ikira nabo kitakasa nawe walaba omuntu abiraba
They don't have. So Mr. Wanjera, you want this honorable court to annul the will of the people of Kawempe North. You want this honorable court to cause another election costing over billions of taxpayers' money. You want this honorable court to order a re-election such that more people are brutalized, more families become orphaned because of things that you saw alone, heard alone, and not even your fellow party members who are with you on the panel can come to support you in court. Not even your fellow party member Wamukubida, who allegedly received this bribe, can come and testify to the same in court. You want this court to believe such kind of evidence?
Go wake up, Wanjala. Go wake up, Wayangala, or Kwagala Kwaba, abalonda mu kaweefube ne balonda embeera kwayagala wekka kuba nti okwagala okwonna kusazibwamu baddemu okulonda kuyebwe sente billions eza gavumenti kwayagala wekka kabina kusazibwamu
Ekitiibwa omulamuzi.
So does he want God to believe him? He thinks that is sufficient to allow the will of the people.
owulira nga ekikyo omu kimala nga n'abalala bonna abaaliwo tebazze kukakasa ekigambo byonna bisazibwemu olwoyika.
Ekitiibwa omulamuzi.
Avunula byavunula si by'odoli
N'atandika nina kwogeza
I just want an answer from yes, you want God to believe you, yes or no. You can get it, yes.
Ekitiibwa omulamuzi.
oyagala kooti ekukkiririzemu obujulizi obwo wekka nga abalala bonna bwe wali nabo tebazzeku.
Ekitiibwa omulamuzi. Nsaba ekkooti enzikirize ku byenjogedde.
Just oblige my Lord and have no
There's two questions. Just two for clarity. Yes, Mr. Wanja, you've told both of them of NRM.
Yes, sir.
And you have an NRM membership card.
Yes, sir.
Which you received or joined.
Yes, sir.
And you said you joined in 2004.
Yes, sir.
Is that the same year I received the membership card?
Omwaka wafuna membership card okufisa memba mwanaye.
You told boss that you joined NRM in 2004.
Ogambye mu 2024 lwe wayingira.
Ani?
2024 wayingira.
Wanjala? Simanyi.
And you got the membership card.
Bali mwenda nanti.
Waweebwa membership card.
Njeena.
Bakumya ng'oli mukaguli ng'oli mujulizi munamateeka awo abeera bbali bwe toba munamateeka awo kasita aba nga si yagenda okuwabulira
Omanye DNA
obujulizi nga basazeewo nti gwe mujulizi gw'ogenda okubuwa kaba kakujjuutusa.
You either know you don't.
Bwe bamala oyo nno balinayo n'abalala.
Ngejja buyinza.
omanyi DNRM yafuuka ekibiina ekitongole
Kigabakazi.
bamemba baakyo.
How old were you in 2002?
Walina emyaka emeka mu 2
When you go to the card.
ng'ofunira kaadi walina emyaka emeka mu 2
So ekitiibwa omulamuzi n'emyaka 44.
How old were you when you got the membership card?
walina emyaka emeka wafunira kaadi ya NRM.
Last you told boss that you signed your and you signed the NRPC offices, correct?
Ogambye wasayininga ekiwandiiko kino ekya waweera obujulizi bwo NRM office.
kituufu si obulamu.
How many other witnesses did you mobilize to enter this office?
abajulizi bameka abalala bewakunga bagende nabo.
Omulamuzi ekyalo kyange twapresentinga abantu 10 twakiikirirwa abantu 10 kubanga twalina senta 5 nga buli police center erina okubaako abantu babiri bali abantu twali 10.
I have no question.
Oh, yeah.
My Lord, before I re-examine, I would like my colleague to make a trace of who is next so I can have it so I can put that this Okay. Wanjala, what is Wanjala? What is Mr. Wanjala,
Ekitiibwa nakoma Musinyati.
What language are you?
Obwekiwa omulamuzi olulimi Luganda.
What is the level of your comfort with the English language? Ate mirembe gy'owuliramu ng'oyogera oluzungu tuwuliramu nnyo oluzungu okwanguyirwa ki okwanguyira kikampa okwogera oluzungu lukwanguyira nnyo okwogera
Nete si omulamuzi.
Ben Bukasantale. Ben Bukasantale omumanyi.
Obwekitiibwa mumanyi.
Who is he in your community? Yani mu kitundu kyammwe.
Ye kansala atutwala mu Ssebaggala zone n'Ekiganda zone nga ku fulaga ya National Unity Platform.
Lordship, I have no further question.